Hello everyone, welcome back to LernoSync. Till now we trained our model. Now let's test it in the real life. Okay, in this video we are going to give new message to our model and see if it can correctly identify spam. This is where everything goes and our projects come together. Before moving further, a quick recap. In part 1, we set up the project and loaded the dataset. While in part 2, we cleaned and prepared the data. In part 3, we trained our ML model using naive. Now, in part 4, we will use the trained model to make prediction. Here, we are giving a new message to our model. This message is something the model has never seen before, where we can call it as a testing message or testing data. So, MSG equal to G T U L T. Congratulations, you won a free ticket. And now the model will try to classify it as spam or not spam. Before prediction, we need to convert this message into numerical form because our model understands numbers, not text. Okay, so at the starting itself you can see, so in the data set there were two columns, that is label and message, so that are being converted into numerical form using count vectorizer. The same we have been doing here. So msg vector equal to vectorizer dot transform msg. Then now it has to predict like it is a spam or not. So prediction equal to vectorizer dot predict message vector. So it is very important to use the same vectorizer as a variable which has been used at the first. Result time. So if result is 1, it means spam, or else it is not spam. So we'll apply the logic. Prediction. And just like that, our model gives us the result. So we'll play this. So before running and testing this ML project, I have found some of the mistakes which have been done. So I'll be saying that. So you please correct within your main.py. So here I had an so it must end here. The codes must end to ham and spam, not include 0 and 1. Then it is message, not massage. M-A-S-S-A-G I have written at the before. So you change it to message. Then coming to here. So it is X, capital X, not the small one. Then here it is a function. Count vectorize is a function. So I missed it at the first. So you just please change those things. And let's run the code and see the output. You can see the model correctly identify this as spam. So I have run this. You can know it the accuracy and the spam. This means our model is working correctly. We trained our model. Now let's So you must be having questions. So what are the dependencies and how to create a virtual environment to run this project and all. For that, I'll be giving some of the instruction within the description. So do please check that and run your project as per the instruction which I have mentioned in uh, description. Even for easier purpose, I'll even pin it on the message or chat box so you can look into that. Okay, now let's just make our model quite interactive. So we'll change this into user input, as user can uh, give his own input. Okay, input, enter your message. So um, everything will be same. Let's just convert this into array because it has to read every word by word. The user can type any message and the model will predict the results now. This make our project more real and useful. So we'll run this project now. Okay. So message free money. So it's a spam. Whereas if I write something else, we'll check is this a spam or not. So it's a non spam. Okay. So what we built? We built an ML model that can detect spam messages automatically. It learned from past data and now it can predict new messages. Let's quick recap the entire project. Setup, dataset, preprocessing, model training, prediction. So these 5 are the steps, major step which can build the entire project. This is complete. And just like that, you have built your first spam classifier. If you follow along, comment down. I would love to see how many of you completed it. Also, if you want a complete React UI and full deployment of this project, comment React below and I'll create a bonus video based on the most requested comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly ML project. See you in the next project. Bye bye.